Cannizzaro reaction. In this reaction, aldehydes which do not have alpha hydrogen atom when refluxed with dilute sodium hydroxide yields an acid and an alcohol. The aldehyde undergoes self-oxidation and reduction. For example, when formaldehyde is treated with sodium hydroxide, one molecule gets oxidized to the sodium salt and the second molecule gets reduced to the corresponding alcohol. So sodium formate and methanol. Another example, benzaldehyde having no alpha hydrogen when benzaldehyde is refluxed with sodium hydroxide, one molecule gets oxidized to the corresponding acid, that is benzoic acid, and since the reaction takes place in presence of NaOH, we get sodium benzoate. And the second molecule gets reduced to the corresponding alcohol, that is benzyl alcohol. And when the Cannizzaro reaction takes place between two different aldehydes, both are having no alpha hydrogen, for example, between formaldehyde and benzaldehyde, it is known as crossed Cannizzaro reaction. So when formaldehyde and benzaldehyde are refluxed with sodium hydroxide, here formaldehyde undergo oxidation preferably, so we get sodium formate along with benzyl alcohol. Now let us see the mechanism of the reaction. The reaction takes place in alkaline medium. So if you start with, say, formaldehyde, so the first step is nucleophilic addition of OH minus to the carbonyl carbon of formaldehyde, and we get so the OH minus gets added to the positive charge carbon and we get an alkoxide ion. And this ion, it exchanges a hydride ion with the second formaldehyde molecule. So here so what happens is a hydride ion is transferred to the second formaldehyde molecule. So the second step, that is the important step, that involves hydride ion transfer. So when hydride ion is transferred, it gets converted to formic acid plus the alkoxide ion corresponding to methanol, and there occur a proton exchange between these two molecules. And the final product is HCOO minus plus CH3OH. That is methanol plus formate ion So the final products are methanol and sodium formate.